So you decided to focus on a topic which is very present, the slimless delusion. Why is this topic important to show on an art fair like this from your point of view?
Thank you for the question. I think the topic is very important in everyday's life, not only on the art fair, but I just decided I have different work cycles and I decided to show this work cycle from the last 9 years at the art fair and show the people something about body positivity and fat liberation here.
The photographs are all about yourself.
That's true, yeah. Yeah, I'm probably my best model. That's the easiest way to do it. And I'm a fat person, so I decided to work with myself. But I also work with other people in other photographs. One is shown with Sattler here, which is shown on Wiener Festwochen. It's just a preview for the performance we show in Wiener Festwochen in May and June this year.
The motto of the presentation is "the fatter, the better." You show a weight miracle pill, an action heroine, or a beauty queen in plus-size format. Your work is full of wit.
That's true. It's really difficult to approach such a topic because most of the people, there are different studies, like up to 7 from 10 women are not satisfied with their bodies. And also there's not really studies about men, but a lot of people are not satisfied, and it's really hard to approach people talking about bodies and about the whole difference of bodies in our society. So I decided to work it through the way of humor.